Hello guys, let me introduce my lovely bird. Her name is Nami. Yeah, it's a similar it's the same name in the One Piece, but it's not only the meaning like that, and it's also meaning, there's no meaning, just it came from banana milk, so Nami. Yeah, I know, it's a funny name, isn't it? Nami. And yeah, she's very young. I don't know her age correctly, but maybe 6 months. And yeah, and she's very scared of my hands and this camera, so I don't know what to do. So anyone has an idea, please let me know. How can I fix it? Yeah, how can make her get used to it? So yeah, after that I can show you more videos with my lovely cockatiel, my lovely Nami. And yeah, that's it. See you later, and please teach me and teach her. Thank you. Bye.